What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to trim your stock fenders to be able to run 35s. I wasn't gonna do it, but this is from my last trip. I was rubbing really bad. I kept popping my fenders out. Yeah, look at that shit. I already started doing the passenger side, but I'm not finished. I'm waiting on the clips and the new clips. But this is pretty much it. I cut the fender like about an inch or so, and also the flares. Cut off the pinch welds and relocated the fender bracket. This is my fender that I modified. First, if you want to have more space, just remove the wheel. And the first thing you want to do is remove the splash guards. Mine are like almost out because I did the Viper cut. But look, I'm still rubbing at the top. And look at my fender flare. It's about to crack if I don't do this mode. And I had already cut a lot, even the rocker caps, but I still need to cut the fenders for about an inch or so. After you remove the wheel, you want to go behind the fender and remove the clips for the flare. After you remove the rocker cap, you're gonna want to try to take off this bracket so you can use it later. We're gonna grind it off. There está.
Safety gear.
Oh, estúpido.
Not really. My friend was there for 2:30. I would work out. I would like.
Oh shit, too big? Ah, estúpido. What I also do for the door trim guard to hold better, I add a little bit of clear glue behind the flare. Is where you can like this. Then you're gonna wanna remove the old tape or glue from before. Clean it really good so you can put the new one, the new 3M tape. After you replace all the clips, you're gonna wanna clean all the previous glue with alcohol really good so the new double tape can stick better. Then you line up your fenders and voila, final product. Now I just need to cut off the rocker cap. See how clean it is. I also painted the inside with rubberized, all the white, so you can see it from far away. And this is the final product.